Hello, awesome tigers. This is Mrs. Seth back once again. So, I'm here to tell you how to add and subtract improper fractions. Okay, so here we have 2 and 1/3 plus 3 and 1/3. So, first we have to remember FF, meaning fraction first. So, we have to add 1/3 plus 1/3, which equals 2/3, right? Okay, do we need to decompose this? Is this an improper fraction, meaning the numerator is greater than the denominator? In this case, no, we do not need to decompose it because the numerator is less than the denominator. So now we can move on to our whole numbers. So we have a 2 plus 3, which equals 5. So we put it in the front. So the sum of this improper fraction is 5 and 2/3. Okay, let's do another one. So again, FF, fraction first, 2/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6. Do we need to decompose this fraction? No, because it is not an improper fraction. So let's go ahead and move on to the whole numbers. So we have a 10 plus 5, which equals 15. And that's how you add improper fractions. Now let's take a look at subtracting improper fractions. Okay, so here we have 7 and 2/8 minus 4 and 1/8. We need to look for the difference between the two improper fractions. So same thing, we will use FF, fraction first. So we have 2/8 here minus 1/8. So that equals 2/8 minus 1/8 equals 1/8, right? Do we need to decompose this fraction? No, because it is not an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction. So now we can move on to the whole numbers. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And that is the difference between the two improper fractions, 3 and 1/8. All right, let's go ahead and try the second improper fraction. Okay, so FF, fraction first, 5/7 minus 5/7 minus 1/7, which equals 4/7. Do we need to decompose this? No, we do not. Okay, now let's move on to the whole numbers. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. So the difference between the two improper fraction is 5 and 4/7. And that is how you add improper fractions and subtract improper fractions.